In this video, you'll learn how to transfer USDT from Binance to OKX. By following these steps, you will successfully send your USDT to your OKX wallet. Begin by navigating to the OKX website. Once there, sign into your account using your credentials. After logging in, locate the Wallets section in the main menu. Within this section, find and select Deposit. Next, you will need to choose USDT as the asset you wish to deposit. After selecting USDT, you will be prompted to choose the blockchain network. It is crucial to select a network that is supported by both Binance and OKX to avoid any issues. Once you've made your selection, copy the deposit address provided. Make sure to double check the network compatibility and the address itself to ensure accuracy. This step prepares the destination for your USDT transfer. Next, head over to the Binance website. After logging in, open the Wallets section once again. From there, select the Withdrawal option. In the withdrawal interface, choose USDT as the asset that you want to withdraw. In the field provided, paste the OKX deposit address that you copied earlier. It is essential to ensure that you have pasted the address correctly to avoid any loss of funds. Then, select the same network that you previously chose on OKX. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to withdraw and take a moment to review any fees associated with the transaction. Confirm that all details are accurate before proceeding. This step initiates the transfer of USDT from Binance to OKX. After submitting your withdrawal request, you will need to confirm the arrival of your funds on OKX. To do this, you can track the transaction using a blockchain explorer. This tool allows you to monitor the status of your transfer in real time. Wait for the required number of confirmations to ensure that the transaction is processed successfully. Once the transaction is confirmed, check your OKX wallet balance to verify that the USDT has arrived. It is advisable to save the transaction hash for your records, as this can be useful for future reference. If you notice any delays in the transfer, do not hesitate to contact support for assistance. Make sure to avoid repeating transfers unnecessarily during this waiting period, as it may lead to confusion. Throughout this process, keep in mind that large transactions may take longer to process depending on the network congestion and your internet speed. It is also wise to verify your available storage in your wallets for any limits that may affect your transaction. If you experience slow upload speeds or other connectivity issues, it may impact your ability to complete these steps efficiently. Monitoring these factors can ensure a smoother transfer experience. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.